Welcome to this quick guide on unmuting new events notifications in Discord. If you've ever missed an important update because the server was muted, this video will show you exactly how to turn those alerts back on in just a few taps. First, open Discord and head to the server where you want to receive updates. Once you're inside, look up to the top of the screen and tap the server name. This is your gateway to all the server-specific settings, so it's the right place to start. From the menu that appears, choose Notification Settings. This section controls how you're alerted about activity within that server, so it's where the mute options live. You'll see a few different options here, but we're focusing on the new events. Carefully locate the toggle for Mute New Events. If it's currently on, that means you won't be seeing alerts about new messages, roles, events, or other activities tied to that server. To start getting those updates again, simply switch the toggle off. You should hear or feel a small confirmation that the setting has changed. After turning off Mute New Events, it's a good idea to test things briefly. Return to the server's channel or post a message yourself and then wait a moment to see if the notification pops up on your device. If you have multiple notification channels like mobile push, desktop, or email, consider reviewing those settings as well to ensure you're not missing alerts in any